Hello today, and we're going to do a video on my Acer Aspire 7730 because it's now running Windows 10. We're going to switch it on. I would say this laptop is about coming up to 7 years old, I think, and it started running on it Windows Vista. If you can see that, you can't see it because the thing Windows Vista Basic, and I just switched it on, and this was a 32-bit version, I believe, and it's already booted up. So yeah, it started off as Windows Vista. Just missed out on Windows 7 on when this laptop was released. It just missed out, but no problems at all. It can run Windows 7 with ease, because I've been running Windows 7 on it for quite a while, but I did not run Windows 8 or 8.1. The reason why, because I did not like Windows 8 or 8.1, because the reason, I like the start button, and obviously the 8 and 8.1 didn't have that, so it's nice to have the start button back, but you're going to have to get used to it, because I'm so used to Windows 7 at the moment, so I'm used to this sort of start button, so I can like access my programs or whatever. I've got them all like that. So if you can see, doing that, so it's easy to access. But I've got to work out how I do all that on Windows 10. But it's on my laptop at the moment, so I'm in no rush to install it on my main computer, but I will do eventually. Also, yeah, because I can access my favourites easy, all sorts of things, computer, but I can just go computer up here. That's what something else I like. It's just nice and easy just to get to your drives or whatever. But with this is a bit of a pain in the arse, because you have to go to start, then you go to, I think it's File Manager, and is it? No, it's not. Yes, it is. Then you got to go to this PC. So really, I think they've really have taken a step back. If anything, what they should do is put it on the desktop, because so what they did, it should be more simpler. Why have they really gone backwards and made it more harder? But all I have to do, because I've got Rocket Dock on it, so I can just go to this PC and it just takes me there anyway. So without all the fuss of going into that and sodding about with the start menu. So yes, okay, it's much improved to Windows 8, but is it improved on Windows 7? But you know, technologically it has, obviously. Well, I don't know much about Windows 10 at the moment. I've still got to get used to it, play around with it, get all this, you know, get all my settings how I want it. But yes, okay, it's just something I'll get used to. You can access all these with ease, and hopefully you can put your own icons there. So that was better than Windows 8 for a start. But yeah, the laptop itself, reason why it booted up so quickly, because I think the only modification I've done to it since buying this laptop second hand, I'd say about almost 6 years ago. It was a year old when I bought it back in the day, but it's almost 7 years old. This laptop still works very well. The only modification I've made to it is actually putting a solid state drive in it, and it makes the world of difference, because originally I upgraded to a 500 gigabyte hard drive and it was very slow still, so putting the solid state drive in, even though it's gone back down to 120 gigabytes, but what I do with this laptop, you know, I don't do my main stuff, it's all done on here, and that's got a 1 terabyte solid state drive plus 4 terabytes of additional extra data storage hard drive, and another 4 terabyte inside the computer itself, so I've got plenty of storage on that. But we're talking about the laptop, so let's have a look at the specs. What it can So yeah, what I'm going to say is let's have a look at the specs, because I think I've done a review on it when it was running Windows 7, but I didn't get around to doing the specs. So oh god, let's just go like this. It's a lot easier. No, I can't do it like that because I have to right click the mouse button. So what do I do? Is it file? No, this PC, look, it's down here. All I have to do is click on that, I think. So this PC, here we go. Sorry, the camera ain't very good, so right click on that and go down to properties. So this is going to call up specs. So I'm running Windows 10 Pro, and we've got an Intel Core Duo CPU. Yeah, it's running at 2 GHz, so 2 GHz is enough. Maybe, I don't know what the lowest it can go to. So it's running 4 GB of RAM, 64-bit operating system. So basically this laptop has no problems running Windows 10. I've also tried Windows 8, but I did not like it, so I continued running Windows 7 on it. Till now I'm going to try out Windows 10. Yeah, so as I say, I think it's installed all the drivers. I don't know, let's have a look at, I have to remember this. So if we go to that, so right click again, properties, let's have a look at the device manager. Oh, whatever that Winboard, hang on, let's have a look, Winboard CIR transceiver, whatever that is, and base system device. Perhaps there is a driver out there for it. Let's see if we can update the driver. So searching of, perhaps there maybe soon will be drivers available for it, but I don't know what it actually are though. Those things are. Oh, what's that? Update driver software. So I was searching for software. But what did it match the action? No, I don't know what that was. Oh, I don't know. Couldn't find the software, but I wonder what that is. Let's see if we can search for that update driver. Is it gonna? Oh, it must be all, because I had this problem with Windows 7, but the best driver is already installed. But how can it be if the drivers don't work? But soon there probably will be a driver for it. I don't know what that transit, because it can't be the wireless, because the wireless works, everything about it works. So the only thing I can think of, it could be the card reader, which I have not tried yet. But apart from that, all the system works, everything works with it. So I don't know what they are. Perhaps someone out there can tell me, but apart from that, this laptop works very well. It works very fast with Windows 10. No problems at all with it. So I've got, I don't know, I ain't got nothing really installed to show at the moment. So I've got Nero. This, well, I ain't got nothing. Can't use nothing with Nero at the moment because it's burning software. So, see what annoys me. I've got. It says get Office, but I've got Office installed. So I really. How do you get to your all apps? Okay, so we go to all apps. Still don't like this though. So let's go to a program. Xbox. So you can run Xbox software with this new Windows. Microsoft Office 13. Okay, let's try opening Word 2013. Okay. Obviously I ain't got nothing to do with it. Use recommended settings. So welcome to your new Office. Wasn't that nice? Well, it is an old, well, I'll say it's old, it's the latest version. This is 2013, so Agara, it might be, come on, I don't want to, no, I don't want all this bullshit, it's rubbish, I don't care, just give me to a blank document. So it works fine, so yes, you can type away, so it works, no problem at all. don't save. So yes, this is a computer that has run Windows Vista, and you know it's run Windows 7. I've tried 8.1 and 8, and now it's running 10 with ease for a 7-year-old laptop, which is pretty good. Yeah, so if you've got a 7-year-old computer and it's run Vista, you know it's going to could run Windows 7. But you know, it saves you buying a new computer then. I would try it if you want to try it. It is a free upgrade at the moment. If you see that little icon there, it means you get a free upgrade to Windows 10, but it's only I think it's only the basic version, home version, I don't know. But yeah, worth trying out if you got a Acer, same model as this, the S5 730, then you definitely know it's going to run Windows 10 if you got the same specs. Okay, I'm going to wrap things up with this video now. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.